सुरवातेक स्पीकर सर ह्याच हाउसान in this very august house the honorable finance minister presented and started with his budget speech with the announcement of Vikasit Bharat 2047. Anik Vikasit Bharat 2047 when the country will celebrate 100 years of independence. सुरवातेक लोक शक्ती म्हणून उल्लेख केलो. This claim of Lok Shakti is fake and is laughable. Because Lok Shakti म्हणजे power to the people. सुरुवातीक मुख्यमंत्री लोक शक्तीचा जेन्ना उल्लेख करता, उल्लेख जेन्ना करता, this is nothing but a hollow dream shown to the people of the state. Because all government, खास करून BJPचो, is known to mute and silence the voices of the people. It is known that the Bharatiya Janata Party is intolerant to dissent and democratic values. We know the Prime Minister for his nationally and internationally known monologues. But when was the last that the Prime Minister interacted with the media? It's because डेमोक्रेटिक भारत में भी ये पहली बार हो रही है. अनिक और सरकार and this government that talks about Lok Shakti is akin to a camel passing through the eye of the needle. In other words, impossible. Speaker sir, Goy Sarkar is a perfect example of intolerance, disrespect to the voice of the people. आज या सरकारान has never accepted जे pro people order of the honorable judgments of the court. सगळे order जे लोकांच्या फेवरान कोर्टान दिले, हे सगळे लोकांले पैसे घेऊन these decisions are challenged in the Supreme Court. आज गोय is a shining litigant or a major litigant in the courts. Speaker sir, सरकार जेन्ना यांच्या लक्षा मुखार हाडपाक सोदता की अनवाइज एंटी पीपल आणि लोकांक जे पब्लिक स्पिरिटेड इंडिविज्युअल आज गोंयांत आसाय जावं एनजीओ हेजे विरुद्ध आज ह्यो सरकार सुप्रीम कोर्टान वता. टाउन एंड कंट्री प्लॅनिंग एक्ट, illegalities in the ODPs, challenge of the High Court order in respect to Tiger Reserve. आणि हे सगळे करपाक लोकांले पैसे घेता आणि कोणाक हायर करता? टॉप लीगल ब्रेन्स, एक केसीक 9 लाख रुपया. स्पीकर सर, what this government has done is spend heavy on legal fees हायर करपाक. गोंयच्या विरुद्ध जे डिसिजन गोंयच्या विरुद्ध कोर्टान जे पड they have made decision in the state of Goa, this government is challenging this. हे लोक जे आज आमचे शेत, आमची जमीन, आमचे फॉरेस्ट, आमचे एन्व्हायरमेंट, आमची मादर म्हादय, म्हाका दिसता ह्या सरकाराक हांव प्रश्न करता, हाऊ कॅन यू मेक क्लेम्स ऑफ लोक शक्ती? स्पीकर सर, अमेंडमेंट आफ्टर अमेंडमेंट, TCP अमेंडमेंट, लँड अमेंडमेंट, हे लॉ सगळे हाडटा टू स्टॅम्पेड अँड ओव्हरथ्रो लोक शक्ती. आज सरकार आपल्याली मसल आणि मनी पॉवर उजा करून लोकशक्तीची हत्या करता. कम्युनल हेट्रेड, सस्पिशन टू डिवाइड लोकशक्ती. यू सी द स्टोरी इज द सेम फॉर भूतानी इन सांकवाळ, लोद्दा इन बिचोलीम, डेल्टिन एट दारगड, फिल्म सिटी तुगे येत ती काणकोण, DLF एट रेस मागोस आणि वर्ल्ड पीस युनिव्हर्सिटी. स्पीकर सर, लोकां नाका, हे सगळे लोकां नाका. आणि आज थोडेशे एक्टिविस्ट जे आज मुखार सरले तांकां तेजो आवाज दामपाचो प्रयत्न सरकार करता. स्पीकर सर, सुरवातेक आनी एक मुखेलमंत्रीन विजन डॉक्युमेंट आणि एक्शन प्लॅन फॉर मेकिंग गोवा डेव्हलप स्टेट. 13 वर्सां जाली हो सरकार आसा, अजून एक्शन प्लॅन भायर सोदता. स्पीकर सर, मुखेलमंत्री वयल्यान विकसीत गोंय हे 10 वर्सां होणे 2037 बिफोर प्रायम मिनिस्टर्स विजन, बिफोर 2047 मुखेलमंत्री करपाक सोदता. This is illusionary, is deceptive and is false. म्हाका दिसता स्मार्ट मिशन जेन्ना आमच्या गोंयांत येयले त्या वेळार इतलो मोठो बोवाड केलो. आमी आमदार पयलेच जाल्ले त्या वेळार आमी स्मार्ट सिटी मिशन हे स्मार्ट सिटी कोण उडयला म्हणून उडयल्ले. आनी मुखेलमंत्रीक हांव सांगपाक सोदतां, डू नॉट ईट मोर देन द स्टेट कॅन चू. चाबपाक मेळटा तेचे परस चड खावप. बिकॉज आज हो सरकार they want to convert all our lands. They want to ensure that the sale is to transfer to outsiders. They want to destroy the forests. They want to destroy the hills. ये 27 होण्याचे हो सरकाराचो लक्ष. 2037 लक्षाचेर ना, 27 होणे गोंयची भाटां, गोंयचे दोंगर, गोंयचे फॉरेस्ट, गोंयचे हिल हे पाड घालपाचे प्रयत्न चल्ला. स्पीकर सर, ये डबल इंजिन सरकाराचे लक्ष्य. And that's because, sir, when we go and we speak on the growth rate that the Honorable Chief Minister has projected, this year's budget size is 28,162 crores, of which 20,299 crores will go towards salaries, will go towards loan and will go towards repayment. Speaker, sir, 26% utta, 26%, that is 7,863 crores. And this 7,863 crores is what is left for development, including infrastructure. Mukhyamantrin ek budget projection kela, I would call it a robust gross state domestic product. And growth rate dakhela 14.27%. Because in गोंयची इकॉनॉमी सारकी वायब्रंट दाखोवपाचें म्हाका दिसता मुखेलमंत्री आतां बारीकसो बरो कलाकार जाला. कलाकार जेन्ना जाला, because we all know that Goa's fiscal situation today is grim. 14.27% growth figure is imaginary. Actual growth padha is way below 10% as per the central figures. Because Mukhyamantri is painting a higher growth, possibly to show that the J fiscal within the norms fiscal deficit is to GSTP ratio तो FRBM एकटा अंडर लेड डाउन केला म्हणून दाखोवपाचो प्रयत्न आसा. आज सुरवातेक मुखेलमंत्रीन सांगला 2,403 कोटीचे रेव्हेन्यू सरप्लस आणि प्राइड घेवन तो सांगता. बिकॉज इफ यू लुक at the leverage for attracting an unprecedented special assistance for capital investment, 1,520 crores from the central government. On one side, the Chief Minister talks about Goa being Swaympurna, but on the other side, heavy banking, there is no doubt. But this special assistance, this amount, this is not a grant. This is a loan that the state has to pay back. Because या बजेटान टोटल एक्सपेंडिचर आउटलाइन केलेले आसा 28,162 कोटी रुपया. आणि मेजर फोकस सरकाराचो आसा ऑन रेव्हेन्यू सर्विसेस and on capital investment. But because of the concern je pade ha, the fear in the minds of the people is about the revenue expenditure dominating the total outlay laid by the Honorable Finance Minister. And the questions arise ki whether the capital investment pad amchi asa has adequately addressed Goa's infrastructural deficits. And when I say infrastructural deficits, particularly in public services and transport, because एक high level of skepticism hoy asa kidak sustainability of funding, particularly given that 1,504 crores of repayment from the open market borrowings from previous years. Because yes, we seem to be very clear that the economic scenario of the financial crisis of Goa, it is very clear that the state's financial crisis is deteriorating. आता अनेक मुखेलमंत्री उल्लेख करपाक सोदता की जे gap between the budget estimates and the revised estimates, because in major projects जे major hai, these figures dodge the reality. Now why I say that, because is because जे इंटरेस्ट पेमेंट आसा, इंटरेस्ट पेमेंट जो स्टेटाचो आसा, दिस हॅज सर्ज्ड बाय 14.1% in the last 3 years. Interest payment of 2057 crores आशिल्ले 2023-2024 आणि 25-26 2340 कोटी रुपया जातले. That means the share of the interest payments in the total expenditure is rising and indicating that there is a lot of stress on the state's finance. It's because जो सरकार 12 रुपया मोडटा तेजेर 1 रुपया goes towards the payment of interest on borrowings. आज गोयंची flexibility, the real flexibility of the state is possibly only 35 to 40%. 35 to 40% of the total spending that is under your active control. 60% tukade control na. Yes, 60% gets locked into debt servicing, into salaries, into pensions, into maintenance, into recurring grants and other contractual obligations. So, एक मुख्यमंत्री 3 वर्षा आम्ही जेन्ना आज आमदार आहे, there is always a yawning gap of 20 to 25% between जे पण estimate मुख्यमंत्री करता and what is actually spent. आता 20 to 23 या वर्षाक total expenditure budgeted आशिल्लो 24,270 crore. Actual expenditure जालो 19,608. 23-24 या वर्षाक budget was 26,493 crores. Actual expenditure जालो 21,498 crores. This budget outlay is consistently higher. And why is it higher than the actual expenditure? This year, Honorable Chief Minister has projected a budget outlay of 28,075 crores. This will result very likely in an outlay closer to 22,500 crores. Yeah, 20% why lower? This is because the Honorable Chief Minister, this happens because of cash flow mismatch. Number 2, deficiencies in execution. And number 3, cuts in the central grants mid-year. And that's because आम्ही बारीकशें जेन्ना हे बजेट मुख्यमंत्रीचे जेन्ना चोयले, in the last 3 years and we compare, I observe की core sector पडे हाय, जावं health, जावं education, जावं transport, they do well. They are staff heavy, less capital intensive. But capital heavy sectors like water, like irrigation, like urban development, like tourism infrastructure, these underperform. The Chief Minister should take note of this gap because the budgeted and the actuals are capped and you should keep it at the bare minimum. Because आज सरकाराची flexibility spending नाच आणि सरकारान आपलो own tax grow करपाचो प्रयत्न करूंक ना. आज better tax collection efforts, huge leakages in revenue through GST and various other things. Also the Chief Minister, rationalization of subsidies. Aj freebies, this would release resources for your budget spending. मुख्यमंत्री last टाक सदांच revenue surplus budget म्हणून तो announce करता. सदांच 3 वर्सां जाली revenue surplus budget. It's because this surplus is actually designed by the team possibly sitting there. They design it by capping the revenue expenditure. It's a very simple thing. आज एक narrative create जाता की गोयांत एक fiscal prudence आसा म्हणून. But the government with this liberty goes ahead with full toss borrowing. मागी मुख्यमंत्री कितें म्हणटा, आपणाकडे 3,000 crore आणि म्हणटलो 3,000 crore आणि घेवपाक जाताला, पूण आपणे लिमिट आसा. दोतोर मुख्यमंत्री दोतोर आसा. हे रीण काडप म्हण तें दुयेंसा जेन्ना आमी तर दोतोरा बरयता कितें कोताय, टॅबलेट दिताय, जाल्यार सुय माताय, इंजेक्शन माताय. दोतरान हे दुयेंस बंद करपा जाय. हे दुयेंस वाडत आसा. 2012 कितले आशिल्ले आतां हुंय पावला. म्हाका दिसता मुख्यमंत्रीन आमकां सांगपाची गरज आसा. प्रत्येक गोंयकाराचे कितले रीण आज आसा ते मुख्यमंत्रीन सांगपाची गरज आसा. तो लास्ट इयर सांगतालो आनी आपूण रीण काडपाना म्हणून कितें जालें जालें कितें रीण काडीत आसा आनी हें रीण काडून फेस्तां की कोदाय फेस्तां करपाची प्रयत्न हो बंद जावपाक जाय. स्पीकर साहेब, what are the plans that the Chief Minister has to reduce or to get the gradual redemption of such a crushing burden on the public debt? Anik, when I say this, the Chief Minister's claim, he claims to be very judicious. He claims to be very wise. Speaker sir, at such levels of borrowing is something that the Chief Minister needs to answer. Anda, गोयांत कितल्यो स्कॅम जाल्यो, multi-crore land scam, land grabbing scam, stampede during Devi Lairai Jatra at Shirgaon. Health Minister, also senior doctor ak GMC goson tenka humiliate kele, video भायर घातलो. Speaker sir, incidentally, हे सगळे हांव मागीर काडटलोच कातोरबाजी, पूण पयलें जे मुखेलमंत्रीन अनाउन्स केला in his speech about announcing or declaration of Margaon Dindi Anik Devi Lairai Jatra as state festival. Now, Speaker sir, he should have taken the stakeholders, especially the committee members of Devi Lairai Devasthan, that opposed this particular government decision to make the Jatra a state festival. Speaker sir, committee expressed its disagreement. आमी सांगले कुंकोळच्या गावांत आमकां ते फातोरपियांत जे स्टेट फेस्टिवल कोण दिचमू ते करूं ना. लोकांनी थिंगा विश हाडली, दुसऱ्या जाग्यार गेलो, स्टेट फेस्टिवल करची मागीर तुका पत्र बरयलें, तुका तुगेले भावजीनूय सांगलें, तूं आयकना. स्पीकर सर, दुसरे कडेन गेलो. आतां गव्हर्मेंट इंटरफियरन्स इन दीस पर्टिक्युलरली टेम्पल्स मॅनेजमेंट इज अननेसेसरी. कित्याक हे पर्टिक्युलर अनाउन्समेंट करून दिस एक्सपोज द गव्हर्मेंट्स हिडन एजेंडा. आज कमिंग बॅक टू 25-26 I would like to make these observations. आज जे सेंटर ऑफ एक्सलन्स ऑफ सायबर सेक्युरिटी तशेंच implementation of Goa vehicle authentication. I welcome these steps, no doubt about it. But Speaker sir, जे allocation of budgetary is not sufficient. आज online financial frauds, Goans have lost almost 149 crores in various cyber frauds in the last 4 years, with more than 1,500 cases annually. आज Speaker sir, accidentan जरी चोयल्यार almost Januaryचे तुका number दिता 211 accident, 22 जाणां, 22 people died. The figures of the police have said that there's a sharp increase in 27% of the pedestrian deaths. So people are dying like mosquitoes, but this government is not worried about getting any reform. आज जेन्ना एड्युकेशन आणि स्किल डेव्हलपमेंटाचो मिनिस्टर मुखेल मंत्री announced 100% literacy in the state of Goa. And for that we need to enhance our vocational training. पण एक जात कितें Speaker sir, NEP announce करपाक Goa state was the first to say आमी NEP पयली implement केली म्हणून, like हर घर जल आणि दुसऱ्यो ज्यो स्किमी आसल्यो त्यो. Speaker sir, आज ह्या सरकारान जे प्रोविजन केला, स्कूल एड्युकेशनाक 2,100 कोटी रुपया, हायर एड्युकेशनाक 700 कोटी रुपया आणि टेक्निकल एड्युकेशनाक 120 कोटी रुपया. आणि गेल्या वर्साक 2,228, 550 आणि 323 हे केले. दिस टाइम द चीफ मिनिस्टर हैज गिवन 8.3% less in the education sector compared to last time. आज गोयन सिचुएशन किती आहे? in the last 5 years 61 government schools have shut down. Midday meal score low on nutrition. Provision skill development आचे आशिल्ले 103 कोटी या वर्साक केला, गेल्या वर्सा आशिल्ले 160 कोटी. आज म्हाका Speaker sir, मुखेलमंत्री who is being the finance minister, education minister needs to know that we need a stronger push when it comes to education. Unfortunately, जे repair of schools announced केले आणि थोडेशे schools were left unplanned, they were left open in the rains. Speaker sir, 25 ते 30 government schools in Pedne, in Taligaon, in Ponda आणि hinterland regional तेंगे रूफ ते अनफिनिश केले. 4 तारखे जेन्ना भुरगीं थिंगा भितर इस्कला गेली त्या वेळार these roofs remain unfinished. This was only because of the lapse of the PWD. Speaker sir, jenna 4 तारखे reopening zale, at that time classes had to be conducted in temples, in panchayats, in makeshift rooms. This is nothing but pathetic. Speaker sir, this is the misfortune of the students, and I believe that this kabar zalna. सभापती तुझ्या काणकोणच्या मतदारसंघात जे रुफिंगाचे जे काम आशिल्ले ते थोडेसे विकान इट वेंट अवे, इट वॉज सेपरेटेड फ्रॉम इन्सुलेशन जस्ट आफ्टर वीक्स. मुख्यमंत्री इन योर बजेट स्पीच या 2 दीस आधी रिप्लाय आसा, यू सेड ऑन पेज 9 11,000 youths benefited with apprentice scheme. पूण आमी हे LAQ घातले, LAQ नंबर 173 चेक कर. 26,479 number of apprentices have benefited under the National Apprentice Scheme. And hejer ek annexure dila. And many of them are from Karwar, Uttar Karnataka, Solapur, Kolhapur, Jharkhand, Orissa, Madhya Pradesh, Bengal, Bihar, and many other states. I don't know whether your budget speech was correct or whether this LAQ is correct. Speaker sir, हेल्थाचेर जोरी तो उलयल्यार डिमांड्साचेर आमी उलयतलेच, पूण जे प्रोविजन केला 850 करोड आनी 993 crores हे प्रोविजन जे गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजाक केला. टुडे इट्स अ टोटल मेस, टोटल द हेल्थ एंड पोर्टफोलियो आमकां कोणा खबर ना. द वे पीपल स्पेशली इन साउथ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल एक दीस तुवें नदर मार दक्षिण गोंयच्या हॉस्पिटलान यो, हे हॉस्पिटल जे काँग्रेसाच्या वेळार बांदलेले जे बाब हिंगा दिगंबर कामत आहा, मुखेलमंत्री अनेक पाटी सांगतात डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल साउथ गोवाचे काँग्रेसान बांदलेले. हे हॉस्पिटलान जरी तर आज गेल्यार थिंगा ड्रिप्स घेताय व्हीलचेराचेर, डेली जे पेशंट आहाय थिंगा सगळ्या थिंगा जागे नाय, दोतोर थिंगा सारखे टू द स्ट्रेंथ ना, नर्सीस ना, सगळे रिफरल झालेले आसा. GMCन जरी तर गेल्यार स्पीकर सर इट्स अ complete chaos with regards to the health sector. I do not know how many sanctioned strength are missing. Every time this seems to be passing the buck. There seems to be whether the chief minister has put the health minister on a starvation diet, whether there is staff shortage, whether there is absence of proper infrastructure. This is something that is a big problem, especially आज जेन्ना आमी तुवें गेले, तुवें थिंगाय लोकांलो प्रॉब्लम, थिंगाय हॉस्पिटल बांदता म्हूण सांगलें, no proper infrastructure. You go to North Goa District Hospital, no proper infrastructure, no ICU, no doctors, no proper blood bank. So speaker sir, health आहा गोंयांत आमी रावपाचें काय कितें असो प्रश्न निर्माण जाता. केसल्योच आमकां पयले आमदार जाल्ले तेन्ना स्टार्टिंगाचो बजेटाचें की कॅट लॅब जातलो म्हण आमी सगळे हुशाल जाले. अरे आज हाटा मनीस इतले मोताय, इतले रिफरल जाता, इतले एक्सिडेंट जाता, ट्रॉमा सेंटर ना, कांयच ना. एब्सोल्युटली यू हॅव बेसिकली ये हेल्थ सेक्टरान जावपाक शिरीपणा. लेट्स नॉट प्ले विथ द लाइव्स ऑफ द पीपल. स्पीकर सर, पहली बार म्हणटाय ते बीजेपीचे पेट फ्रेज, पहली बार देश में प्रगति हो रही है. 2014 से पहले गोवा में तो गोवा नहीं था, सब 2014 के बाद गोवा में प्रगति हुई है. ये तो मुख्यमंत्री कह रहे हैं. कांग्रेस के शासन में कुछ नहीं हुआ. इधर हमारा दिगंबर कामत जो मुख्यमंत्री था उसने कुछ नहीं किया. रवि नाइक ने जो इधर था अभी चला गया, उसने कुछ नहीं किया. जो इसे इधर से पहले जो भी मंत्री बहुत लोग हैं, 12 में से 10-9 लोग तो कांग्रेस के मंत्री इधर थे, उन लोग ने कुछ नहीं किया. अभी 2014 से इधर ये हो रहा है. अभी ये हमको लग रहा है ये तो साइलेंस इमरजेंसी है, ये साइलेंस इमरजेंसी है. स्पीकर सर, what I would like to point out is that पहली बार we have a chief minister since 1961 who has the highest number of portfolios. When we say this, Speaker sir, the chief minister, I say always that the chief minister is fat but not fit, fat in portfolios. Speaker sir, let me mention now, you have the PWD, Kala Academy renovation, 50 plus crores spent without tender. IIT, 20 plus faults found. Cracked walls, poor acoustics, faulty air conditioning. Speaker sir, road safety crisis, the way people are dying, most cruel joke, post-monsoon collapses. Potholes led to 46.5% of rise in fatal accidents. And this only in 1 year. For 6 months from January to July, Goa registered 1,248 accidents, killing 143. And the worst, Speaker Sir, is that 45% of these people were below the age of 35. You look at the death trap. Speaker Sir, finance and jenna uloyतना lavish spending. 4.5 कोटी रुपया on VIP transport, 1 crore 33 lakhs on 5-star and hotel stays. आता मुखेलमंत्री आणि सगळे म्हाका दिसता जी थिंगा ना सगळे चार्टर्ड फ्लायटीन भोंवता, सगळे डोमेस्टिक एअरलाइन ऑल चार्टर्ड फ्लाइट. डिस्ट्रिक्ट मायनिंग फंड, मिनरल फंड, हे फंड पण आशिल्ले. दिस वॉज फॉर द मायनिंग डिपेंडंट. वाय इज इट डायवर्टेड? फॉर वॉट इज इट डायवर्टेड? आज एड्युकेशन सेक्टरान जरी तर चोयल्यार no structural audit. It is a shame. There is no structural audit for 50% of the school buildings in the state. This is as per the answer of the education minister. Speaker sir, 31% of government school lack working toilets. Can you believe it? Speaker sir, 47% have no internet. Many local drinking udka facilities पासून ना कालच्या दिसा काय प्रश्न गेलो थिंगा टॉयलेट ना, भुरगीं थिंगा मुतूं जाय जाल्यार क्लासीन कोताय, क्लासी भायर कोताय. Is this what the children of Goa deserve? Speaker sir, Balrathचेर for transporting children we said 15 वर्सां जाली, 15 वर्सां जाली बालरथा. They need to be changed. मुख्यमंत्रीन सांगले बजेटान आपण कोतलो म्हणून. Where, when? Maintenance that is not enough. We are playing with the safety of our children. आज ट्रायबल भवन, या ट्रायबल भवनाची प्रोग्रेस कितें? नो इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर. कॅबिनेट कलिगान जेन्ना तो काळे नॉन फंक्शनल मूक सांगले ताका काढो. स्पीकर सर, मायनिंग ही अजून शिंतोरींतूच आसा. इट्स स्टील इन द ग्रेव. गोवा's backbone industry remains paralyzed. The government keeps promising resumption. आज जातोले, फाल जातोले, हेजेर एक इव्हेंट करे. जे पड मायनिंग स्टार्ट जातो मग कितू पुजा मुखेलमंत्रीन आज जातोले, फाल जातोले मग स्टार्ट जातो मग सांगला. स्पीकर सर, आज what happens from the mining department is only committees and press statements. Now, Speaker sir, you look at home, you look at these figures, these are shocking. You look at the drug cases, 23 into assault cases, 287. जे ड्रग्स केसेस आशिल्ले 277 जाले. नाउ इज 107. मर्डर्स 23 आशिल्ले 24 जाल्यो 30, आता हा 17. रेप 23 आले 97. 24 या वर्साक जाले 112, आता हाय 67. यू लुक एट रॉबरीज, जे 11 आशिल्ल्यो 23, 24 जाल्यो 13, आता हाय 5. Molestation 2023 and 116 आशिल्ल्यो 24 जाल्यो 129, and they 53. Cyber crime 79 in 24 आलो 83, and now it is 73. Look at the failing law and order situation in the state of Goa. Were we known for this? Today the state is being known as the rape capital, as the murder capital. Are we supposed to be known as what we were known as liberal people in the state of Goa? And when you do this, who is responsible? Mukhilmantri munta baile munisi crime kota. We got the index. There are also people of the state involved. Why are they doing this? Where are we heading? Speaker sir, आज despite the police inaction, Supreme Court order hai. Outdoor music चालू सद्दा चालू असता 10 नंतर. No FIRs. Michael Lobo जे सांगतलो. बाहेर जरी तर senior citizen, जरी तर children, if you go outside, they feel unsafe. Where even morning people go for their morning walks. आज म्हाका दिसता मुखेलमंत्रीच्या ह्याच पोर्टफोलियोच्या उलय 60% जाला. म्हाका दिसता आखे डिमांड कबार जातले. इतना ही काफी है. I hope the chief minister understands that the meaning of fat is not fit. आता आज honorable speaker, जे the clouds of undeclared emergency hovering over the state, आज जो पडे this state machinery uses to create basically एक वातावरण that whoever is against the BJP policies, whoever is against the failures of the government, they are not spared. Speaker sir, Mukhil Mantri also said that there are urban nexals in Goa. I put a question, how many urban nexals are there in Goa? The answer was 0. So Mukhil Mantri आता इतलो कलाकार झाला सारको ठापाडाप को सार जाते डूम को उड़ेता. So when we technically it is our duty आज these social activists, now NGOs who support public causes, who are interacting with media are given names like urban nexals. BJP party functionaries, कार्यकर्तास and frontal outfits, they are enjoy the blessings of the government. आज because of Jayapod issue raised kota, FIR is filed on them. Free thinkers are trolled today in the state of Goa. They are attacked. And attacked by whom? By non-state actors. Law and order enforcement machinery remains silent. काहीच ना. तू जोरी तो उतर काढा, जोरी तो कोणे प्रेसान काढो, जोरी तो ऑपोजिशन काढे, नॉर्मल एनजीओ काढो, एक तू एंटी नेशनल. तू आंग गोयंकार नो. Speaker sir, even cartoonists, even stand-up comedians are not spared. आज ही प्रथा जे बाब क्रूज सांगपाक सोदतालो of this assembly. Speaker sir, 15 days decided by the cabinet, not by you. But 15 days under 258, 259, why are you all using suspension of rules? We are here to legislate. Let us practice our rights. This is something that we are come here for. Speaker sir, आज म्हाका दिसता equity ना in the system आणि एक monopoly चल्ल्या in the ruling party. Institutional favoritism जे partyचे loyal munis आहेत त्यांका सगळ्यांक they are made heads of autonomous bodies, statutory bodies and made basically into these bodies are made into a mockery. Speaker sir, even the media तेंचेरूय pressure येता. उमको tweet काढ, उमको हे काढ, उमको ते काढ. They are the fourth pillar of democracy. Even today there is a threat, Speaker sir. Speaker sir, ये political bullying पडे हाँ जाओ. ED जाओ, CBI जाओ, income tax जाओ, state police. This has become a subject today of harassment. And wherever possible, I say, lokshaichi hatya. The hatya is in letter, and to maximum extent, the hatya is in the constitutional spirit and ethics. Aaj, Speaker sir, when I talk, there are people who have told me to speak this, that the minorities don't feel safe. The Muslims or Indian Muslims today are ridiculed as loyalists of Pakistan. Speaker sir, the Indian Christians are laughed as loyalists of Rome. Speaker sir, Goan Christians today are mocked as Portuguese nationals. This is the state today, Speaker sir, under this double engine sarkar. Speaker sir, speaking about power, आता power ministeraचे 4,130 कोटी रुपया budget आशिल्ले. And the proposed hike of 6% today for 25-26 instead of concentrating on the recoveries. त्या power ministeraक poweraची recovery करपाक खबर ना. पण वो power minister, we become powerless. People are powerless before the power department. People lose their power. But the power minister always knows how to be in power, irrespective of what happens in state politics. I do not know what type of political insurance he is incumbent under. Today, a calling attention, 14 people have died from 2019 to 2023. आज जेन्ना मायनिंगाचे उलयतना मुखेल मंत्रीन उल्लेख केलो की 12 mineral blocks consisting of 24 mining leases, 2 mineral blocks commencing operation म्हणून सांगले. केन्ना सुरुवात जातली mining? When? Today mining has been stopped, auction had been stopped on some technical grounds. What are these technical grounds? Why was the auction taken out? 15,000 koti is the loss of mining since the ban since 2012. Cabral will know the exact figures. Speaker sir, effect is on peripheral industries. You see the industries around, vehicle repair shops, logistic companies, local markets, all have been devastated. All in this mining areas. Speaker sir, मुळगाव जालते पोत्ते जावपा शिरीपणा. आज उदकाचे खाते, ड्रिंकिंग वॉटर डिपार्टमेंट, आज जेन्ना गोंयभर आमकां लोक येवन मेवता, ह्या सरकाराचो लक्ष आशिल्लो 24/7 लोकांक उदक दिवपाक. हो आसलो तेगे मॅनिफेस्टोचेर. ते मागीर रियलिस्टिकली काबराल बाबान केले 8 वरां मेळटले म्हूण तेगेलो लक्ष आशिल्लो. ना माय मुखेल मंत्रीन 4 वर केले लास्ट सेशनाक. आतां 10 मिनट पासून उदक ना. 10 मिनटी पासून उदो ना लोकांक. हे कितें चल्लां स्पीकर सर? हे उदो मेळपाचें हे एक हक हो संविधानान दिलेलो आमकां हक. हे सगळे टँकर माफिया जाले. तुका गोंयांत उदो पासून इज अ नॉवल्टी. And what happens, I do not know, with the amount of villas, with the amount of apartments, with the amount of real estate projects, haphazard planning in the state of Goa. No carrying capacity looked whatsoever. You go to any part of Goa today, it's become a real estate market. आज एड येता पेपराच्यो, दिल्लीकाराल्यो, with paper, without paper, any type of land in Goa is send the details. Because आज म्हाका दिसता हे उदकाचे प्रश्न बिचोलींतूय हाय, पेडणेंतूय हाय, बार्देजांतूय हाय, सालसेटांतूय हाय. शेती खात्यान जोरी तर एग्रीकल्चराचे जेन्ना आमी उलयतना स्पीकर सर, the state that at one time was an agrarian region in the 1960s. आणि आज कितें जाला, रॅम्पंट लँड कन्वर्जन. 300 कोटी रुपया जे इज द बजेट ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर. एक सायडीन आमगेलो एग्रीकल्चर मिनिस्टर हिंगा आहा. Agriculture Minister launched Goa State Amrit Kal Agriculture Policy. 10%, 10 crores, 10 koti rupiya provision केल्ले for this particular policy. आणि पॉलिसीन कित बरयल्ले आहा? पॉलिसीन बरयल्ले आहा that you ban all the conversions designated as rice, care, kazan. But on the other side, there are a lot of conversions happening. Because sir, कोंकणीन एक मुणे आसा, अत्ती शाण्याक फातराचे शीत. ही मुळपड आसा ते कोणाक लागता ते तेमी लावून घेचे. स्पीकर सर, एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर ड्यू टू machinations of smart, or you say over smart people, will one day force Goans to eat rice made of stone. Speaker sir, art and culture जेन्ना उलयतना 245 crores budget allocation केला. 201 कोटी आशिल्ले गेलते वर्साक. आज प्रपोज केला 70च्या गावांत, पेडणेच्या गावांत, सांगेच्या गावांत फाउंडेशन ले करपाक, काणकोणच्या तुज्या भागांत रवींद्र भवन काणकोण हाडपाक. पूण त्या वेळार पीडब्ल्यूडीन कितें केलें, कसलें मेस जालें, एब्सोल्युटली रेन वॉटर लिकेज. स्पीकर सर, रवींद्र भवन मडगांव हिंगा जे क्लासीस जावपाक जाय, जे कलाकार आज सगळ्या भोंवताय, कलाकारान मरे आमकां कला दाखोवपाक जाय. कलाकार आज थिंगा रस्त्यार भोंवताय. कलाकारां तुम्ही रस्त्यार घातले because they don't have place today, speaker sir, to do what they preach. This is absolutely shocking. Oitay thinga sogle all the centers that were built, these things were this was the vision of the Congress time. हे सगळे आज मेंटेनन्स पासून जायना. जे मुखेलमंत्री अंडर जे विजय केंकरेन जे रेकमेंडेशन दिला on the number of repairs of Kala Academy, I think under PWD the honorable chief minister needs to answer. आज speaker sir, स्पोर्ट्साचे बारीकशें उलयता. 2036 Olympics is in Ahmedabad. This is the vision of India that we should host. But what is the provision made? 4.5%. आणि 2022 तेच provision मिशन गोल्ड कोस्ट हे provision म्हणून ऑलिम्पिक गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट गोंयचे जातलो म्हणून एक स्वप्न दाखयल्लें. आज 202 crores allocation for sports and youth affairs. This is peanuts. And peanuts attracts monkeys. Speaker sir, there are many issues today that are pertaining to the governance and implementation. But when I say governance and implementation, disaster management cell itself today has become a disaster. Inferior qualities on smart city. तेजेर हांव चड उलयना. इतले स्मार्ट पर्सन विथ डिसेबिलिटी थिंगा सारखे रॅप पासून प्रोविजन केलना. स्पीकर सर, म्हादयचेर आमी उलयले. इतले कोटी रुपया आज almost 16 crores has been spent. Water is being diverted. When you say water is being diverted, Speaker sir, what is the state government doing? Has the state government recently returned to the Prime Minister, to the Home Minister, to the WRD Minister to take stock of the condition, write a letter? The Chief Minister needs to keep it on record. Manohar Parrikar wrote a letter. Manohar Parrikar wrote a letter to the then leader of opposition, Yadurappa of Karnataka, that we will give you drinking water during election time. Why is Chief Minister not writing a letter to the Prime Minister telling that Goa's water needs to be secured? Speaker sir, आज जेन्ना एक fishy action taken report. This action taken report was tabled to us. I do not know seriously what is the Directorate of Planning and Statistics doing. Actually, it is a disaster. I tell you that 50% of these assurances in the budget, 9 महिन्याने जावपाना. मुखेलमंत्रीचे दुसरे पद थोडेशे कॅबिनेटा मनीस आहाय 9 म्हयन्यान हॅपी जाताय पण आमी जरी तर हे 9 म्हयन्यान हॅपी जावचे ना कित्याक 50% तरी अश्युरन्स हिंगा कंप्लीट जावचे ना स्पीकर सर लास्ट फायनान्शियल इयर 441 out of 446 budget assurances has been initiated म्हणून हे एक्शन टेकन रिपोर्टाचेर दिला either completed or underway. Today, if we look, Speaker Sir, nothing beyond the commencement level, absolutely nothing. That day I was shocked when the action taken report was placed and it said that the observatory towers with a viewing gallery on the Zuari bridge has been complete. I had not gone for 7 days to my house in Varka, so I thought that, really, bridge has been completed by Nitin Gadkari ji. When did this happen? Speaker Sir, can you see such type of errors done by the Planning and Statistics Department? Speaker Sir, this government, Magadista, did not even pass any passing percentage on pass dalnai. Aaj, the way you look at the sports infrastructure crumbling, crimes that are ever growing, Madai that is being diverted, bills that are being passed in the house. Speaker Sir, Kislit study kunastana. This is not just democracy, but desperation to stay in power. Speaker Sir, the budget, ani ek mana denga 5 वर्सां ही रस्ते बांधता येते रस्ते पत्ते पोतून फोडपा नाही मग अरे हिंगा 5 वर्सां बांधले 5 ओरोसभर जे पण रस्ते बांधले 5 महिन्यापासून उन नाही Speaker Sir, I believe that I would like to remind the Honorable Chief Minister that the budget speech, the budget speech of 96 pages asa. In this 96 pages, 38 pages are covered by annexures listing out road works and construction projects. दूसरे 58 pages पड़े हैं इंतून फक्त मुख्यमंत्रीचे पेट स्लोगन म्हणा कितें विकसित सर्वोदया अंत्योदया ग्रामोदया स्वयंपूर्ण लोकशक्ती स्किलिंग अपस्किलिंग हे तो सारको मास्टर जाला आणि हे मोडीत आसा स्पीकर सर हे आमी पयले स्पीचीन पासून चोयले आनी एक चोयला आमी स्पीचीन स्पीकर सर मुख्यमंत्री रिपीटेड हिज phrases in 23, 24 and 24, 25. You said under tribal welfare, Chief Minister talked in 23, 24 about the Freedom Fighters Museum at Farmagudi. The same Chief Minister spoke in 24 and 25 and now in 25 and 26 on promising Freedom Fighters Museum in Bandora Ponda for the third time. Speaker sir, the Honorable Chief Minister spoke about a tribal bhavan in Porvorim. Nothing has happened till now. Speaker sir, under river navigation, he spoke about dredging. You spoke about backwater tourism. You spoke about 7 jetties under Sagarmala project. You spoke about water metro. But Speaker sir, what has happened? Yeah, Jenna Ulele, I believe, public-private partnership. आता इंतून 23 वर्सांक 24 वर्सांक आणि 25 हे तिनी वर्सांक इंटरनॅशनल कन्व्हेन्शन सेंटर डोनापॉल रिडेव्हलपमेंट ऑफ सर्किट हाऊस जुंता हाऊस गव्हर्नमेंट गॅरेज कॉम्प्लेक्स हे मुखेलमंत्रीन अनाउन्स केले 3 वर्सांक आणि ते शेतकार भाव आमचे सांग्या वयले शुगर फॅक्टरी संजीवनी शुगर फॅक्टरी पयर आमी गेल्ले थिंगा तुका सांगपा सोदता इथे गेले ते वर्सा थिंगा हिंगा थोडेशे तुवें सांगिल्ले इथेनॉल फॅक्टरी घान थिंगा सॉल्व कोतो मो इशू आज थिंगा त्यांच्यामध्ये एक प्रश्न निर्माण झाला ते लँड दुसऱ्या काण दितले का म्हणून भाऊसाहेब बांदोडकरांचे स्वप्न आशिल्ले एग्रीकल्चर थिंगा प्रमोट जावपाक पूण आज थिंगा IIT येता काय कितें होय प्रश्न त्या लोकांमध्ये पडला स्पीकर सर कोंकणीन एक म्हणे आसा जाचे जळटा तेकाच कळटा आनी म्हाका दिसता only the injured knows the pain today. Goa is burning with several crises ranging from degradation of law and order to other things. Now, Speaker sir, important thing that I would like to highlight to the Honorable Chief Minister is something known as off-head accounting. Now, this off-head accounting, if you see, is fund transfer. Now, certain departments like police, health, education, आता announcement केला 150 कोटीचो of police station construction. But annual finance statement of the police capital outlay shows only 42.50 crores. Speaker sir, a off-head accounting म्हाका दिसता should not be practiced. This is not very healthy fiscal prudence. आज गोय विकसितान कितें चलता आमगेलो मायकल लोबो बाब हिंगा आहा मायकल लोबो बाबान सांगला मोविनाक हांवें पयरूच वयला व्हिडिओ टॅक्सीचो मिटर घ्या गोड्या घ्या भोंव हे मायकल लोबोन सांगला स्पीकर सर ना 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 ते ऐकी काय काल चोयला स्पीकर सर जे हिंगा काय फ्यू months back even the honorable speaker spoke ki ministeraचे सारखे काय काम चलना म्हणून स्पीकर सर major changes in the TCP all being sent back home all these courts striking down almost everything this speaker sir जे हिंगा पेडणेचो आमदार ना पेडणेचो आमदार म्हणून लावलो पयलीचो पेडणेचो बाबू हेजे आहा आहा तो म्हणालो तो जितू ड्रग्जांक घुसपल न्हू आतां स्पीकर सर हे सगळें चोयल्या म्हाका मरे एक कितें दिसता की आज आनी एक लास्ट की एक सस्पेन्स जाता की मुखेलमंत्री आता फक्त वाय एम ट्रायंग टू शो दिस थिंग्स इज मुखेलमंत्री आज सगळे पेपराचे येता आज जातले मंत्री फाल जातले थोड्यान कितले सूट शिवले भुतांव बितांव त्यान जोग घेयत हाय सूट जायना मोठ जाले इतली 2 वर्सां जाली आज जाताय फाल जाताय सूट शिवताय पोतून उक्ती कोताय पोतून भुतांव घाताय हे केन्ना कोतलो स्पीकर सर twists and turns, drama and measures is the strength of this government. Speaker sir, before I end my speech on the budget, Speaker sir, non-gloss te हांव येणार साहेबा ते सोडाय तुम्ही ते दुसरे येताय जाल्यार तुमचो आमी नाही थिंगा स्पीकर सर नॉन ते चोय ते कोणा लागता ते तेमी लावून घेचे
ताका धाडटा आमच्या वांगडा
ना ना कोणा लागता ते लावून घ्यायचे because I am approaching at the end of my budget speech non-disclosure of debt to GSDP ratio you talk about a declining trend in this ratio but you have not mentioned the actual ratio it's because of this omission is critical given the state's high debt service obligations number 2 it's because of the failure to define the targets under Vision 2047. Chief Minister refers about vision document, about action plan towards Vikasit Bharat, but fails today to place even a single quantifiable milestone. Have you placed any milestone? It's because of funding of commitment on this vision of this budget is nil. The Chief Minister talks about Vikasit without funding. Tourism sector on the budget omits the carrying capacity of and the regulation while tourism infrastructure and budget speech does not discuss about Goa's carrying capacity. No discussion about sustainable tourism, code enforcement, especially ecologically sensitive areas. Yeah, tourism sector should not finally close like what has happened in mining. Massive sewerage outlays without any coverage. 264 provision kala and references of sewerage master plan. No commitment on national education policy, while higher education under NEP are highlighted. Arts speaker sir, maga dista Mukhyalmantrin mention korpak jay of the foundational literacy goals and of the early childhood education. Mukhyalmantri kalche answeran 4000 lokani complaint dile about NEP. So that means we need to look into it constructively. Suggestion to complain mu hai aun detu ka complain mu answer gailo kitle lokan complain dile 4000 lokan complain dile speaker sir 100% for literacy rate Mukhyalmantrin declare kelya ye 100% there is no census comparison there is no age group breakdown speaker sir antache data is cited je national statistical office जाऊ annual statistics of education report एजे म्हाका दिसता हिंगा उल्लेख ना skill development सेम बाब हे बाय बाब दिगंबर बाब तो कोतोलो 8 तारखे हाटल्या कित करपा हाते ते मातशें आयक दी ना तो 8 तारखे हाटल्या कोतो मोठा मातशें आयक 8 तारखे हाटल्या कोतो न्हू तो कित करपा हाते Speaker sir, जे आज mismatch between the capital outlay and projects of timeline. GSIDC in 640 crores ये घातलेले आसा. This speech does not project any completion timelines. निमणे हांव मुखेलमंत्रीक सांगपाक सोदता की मायनिंगाचेर no reference in mining policy, no auction roadmap. आज auction timeline जे iron blockाचे आसपाक जाय, leaseholder obligation, mining resumption जावपाक हे कांयच ना. निमणे you have not assured that there is no further incremental rise in the public debt. You need to make a statement. And dues kenna vattale. Speaker sir, I will wind up with these questions to the Honorable Chief Minister. In Goa today, are the youth safe? Speaker sir, in Goa today, are the women safe? In Goa today, are the senior citizens safe? Are our roads safe? Speaker sir, आमची culture safe आसा काय कितें? आमची आयडेंटिटी आज सेफ आसा काय कितें? Is our social harmony safe? Are the state's finances safe? इतले म्हणून because I dare not answer these questions. I leave them for my colleagues in the House and for the people watching this debate to decide. Thank you, Speaker sir.